I can't believe it, guys. The miniature construction videos are getting billions of views, and the surprising part is that you can create them without paying for expensive AI tool. Please pay attention to this part because I will show you the exact workflow from start to finish, and by the end of this video you will be able to create these videos yourself. So the first things you need is the master prompts. I have already shared it in the video description and inside our Telegram channel, so you can download it from either one. I really want you to implement what I'm showing you because this prompt save you a lot of time. Once you have downloaded it, copy the entire prompt. Don't skip any part because every section has a purpose. After that, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt and send it. Within a few minutes, ChatGPT will generate several viral natural construction videos idea. It will also create CEO-friendly YouTube titles for every idea. You don't have to spend time thinking of titles yourself. This is real, guys. I spent a lot of time building this prompt, so most of the work is already automated. By default, you will get 5 different ideas. If none of them stand out to you, simply ask ChatGPT to generate more. It will instantly create another batch of fresh idea until you find one you like. Copy that idea and send it back to ChatGPT. It will immediately generate the image prompts for you first. Now let's bring that image to life. Open Google Flow and make sure you are on the image generation page. Paste the image prompt you copy from ChatGPT. If you are creating a normal YouTube video, select the 16:9 aspect ratio. If you are making shorts, TikTok or Instagram's reel, choose 9:16 instead. Next, select the Nano Banana Pro model and click generate. Here's something many people don't know. Google Flow allows you to generate AI image for free, so you don't have to worry about image generation limits. After a few moments, your face image will be ready. Now, go back to the master prompt. Under the construction motion prompts section, you will see the motion prompt for scene 1. Copy the entire prompt, return to Google Flow, open your generated image, click animate and choose the Omni Flash model. This is where most people get it wrong. They generate random animation without using a construct motion prompts. That is why their video don't look smooth. Always use the motion prompts provided for each scene. Choose a 10-second duration, keep the same aspect ratios, paste the motion prompt and click generate. Every animation uses 15 credits. On the free plan, Google Flow gives you 50 credits every day, which is enough for around 3 videos generation daily. A complete miniature construction video usually needs about 6 short clips. If you have 2 Google's accounts, you can comfortably complete an entire project without spending money. After your face animation is ready, move to the last frame and click save frame. This saved image becomes the starting point for the next scene, which keeps your character and environment consistent throughout the video. Now, download the animated clips in 180p quality. Once that finished, go back to the master prompts, copy motion prompt 2, open the save frame, click animate again. Paste the new prompt and generate the next scene. From this point, you will simply repeating the same workflow. Save the last frame, download the video, copy the next motion prompt and animate again until you have completed every scene. But here's the interesting part. Your video will still have a Google Gemini watermark. Thankfully, removing it is very easy. Open the free watermark removal website mentioned in the description. Upload your video, click the button and start the removal process, and let the AI detect and remove the watermark automatically. You don't need to install any software or create an account. When the process is complete, preview the result, download the clean video and repeat the process for your remaining clips. Once every clip is ready, import them into your favorite video editor. Arrange them in order, add your background music and sound effects. If you like, then export your final video. And that is it. You now have a complete AI generated miniature construction video created almost entirely for free. If you want the master prompts, all the AI prompts used, useful templates, tool links, bonus tutorial and future updates, join our Telegram community. The link is in the description, and I update it regularly with new AI resources to help you create better content. I hope this tutorial saved you a lot of time. Now don't just watch it, implement it. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Kemi Hub, and turn on notification bell so you never miss our future AI and YouTube tutorials. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.